What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode. I'm Taylor with the Cyber and U team, and today we're going to continue on with the second part of our AWS series. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to connect to your first AWS instance. So, what an AWS instance is, it uses Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, to launch different operating system platforms connecting to their servers. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. We're going to click Launch Instance. And we're going to stay with the free tier eligible stuff. We're going to select Amazon Linux 2. We have a 64-bit system, so we're going to select 64-bit. And we're going to set up a Linux AMI. Go ahead and go with the defaults here, review and launch. Really just reviewing exactly what you just clicked. This is very important when you're selecting a key pair. You have to have a key pair to be able to launch this in the future. It's like I was talking about in the last video. This is how Amazon allows you to connect to their cloud services. So we're going to create a new key pair. Let's just go ahead and call this Unix. We'll download the key pair, and as you can see, it's going to bring up the unix.pem. That's what it saves the key pair as. I'm going to just launch instance. Go ahead and let it load. It says your instances are now launching, and to go ahead and see that in the console, we just click View Instances. It's still pending. So whenever that loads, you'll go ahead and connect to that instance via whatever method you choose. I'm actually going to show you in the next part of this series how to connect to this instance using PuTTY. So as always, if you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave some comments. We'd like to hear some feedback. If you have any questions, comments, any ways you may do it better, any kind of feedback we appreciate. Again, follow us on Twitter at CyberandU1. Thank you.